If you're thinking of buying or selling a home, or just have questions, you've come to the right place.
The first step in purchasing that special home is to make an offer. Utilize the expertise of your ERA Nicholas real estate associate. Your offer is actually written on a purchase contract, a legally binding document between you and the seller. Our job is to help you from the initial offer to acceptance. We explain the terms of the purchase contract to you and help you be a knowledgeable buyer. Your offer usually will have a time limit for the seller to accept, reject, or counteroffer. If a counteroffer is made, you do have some time to respond. There can be several offers, counteroffers, until the buyer or seller accepts or ends the negotiations. If the offer or counteroffer is accepted, everyone goes forward in the purchase of the home.
There's no way to calculate the exact amount to offer on a house. You may offer lower, hoping to get a better price. Also, you may decide to offer a higher price to get the deal done for you and your family. One thing you need to remember is buyers want the best deal. Sellers want the best price. Negotiation is an art. Looking for a house is fun. You want what? No.
When you sign an offer to purchase a home, you will need to provide earnest money. This refers to a monetary commitment that shows you're serious about purchasing this property. This earnest money accompanies your offer to purchase. When your offer is accepted, the earnest money is deposited into a special escrow account and held in this account by the listing real estate company and will be credited to you at closing and used as part of your down payment or for your closing costs. If your offer is not accepted, the money is returned to you. Keep in mind, once the offer is accepted, and if you back out of the purchase other than for a reason covered in the contract, you may have to forfeit the entire amount. Your ERA, Nicholas Real Estate Professional, will be there to answer all the questions you may have. When you sign an offer, let's start over. Company.
I'm so sorry. You better give it to her. She wants it.
A home warranty can offer you protection against many potentially costly problems not covered by your homeowner's insurance. Such warranties have become increasingly popular in recent years. This coverage can save you thousands in the event of a major mechanical breakdown at a time when your cash reserves have been depleted by your moving expenses. We offer the ERA Home Protection Plan through American Home Shield. They currently have core coverage plus optional packages for additional coverage. Warranties last for 1 year from the date of closing, and you have the option of renewing your coverage when the year expires.
We highly recommend that you have an inspection on the home you're going to purchase. The termite or the wood destroying organism inspection is the only one that's usually required by the banks.
It is your choice if you want a whole home inspector or if you want individual inspectors like a plumber, an electrician, a roofer separately to come look at the house.
So the inspector won't tell you what they think the home is worth. They're just there to let you know of repairs they would recommend or any repairs that are needed.
The seller may be willing to negotiate a price to accommodate the needed repairs, or if you decide that the house needs too much work, it's going to take too much time and too much money, the Oklahoma Real Estate Purchase Contract actually allows you to get out of the contract within the inspection period if the inspector finds too much wrong with the house.
So the inspector is not there to tell you whether you're paying what the house is, what? The contract. Can't do that.
When you apply for a mortgage, the lender will order an appraisal by a professional real estate appraiser. An appraisal is an unbiased opinion of a property's value. The value of the property is based on several criteria. These are the location, the condition of the property, the square feet of the property, its age, and the comparable properties nearby. The square footage of the property. What else?
Homeowners insurance is required when you have a mortgage. It's also highly recommended when you pay cash or you have no mortgage. Many factors can affect your homeowner's insurance premium. Conditions of the home, the roof, credit score, previous claims. Other policies with the same agent will give you a discount on your policy. Many factors can affect your homeowner's
Your ERA Nicholas Sales Associate will take you back to see your home prior to closing, either a few hours before the closing or the evening before, whichever works best. Things that you should look for is check to see if the repairs have been done that you agreed to in the contract. Also, make sure that the home is in the agreed to condition. Another thing to check for could be water leaks after the appliances have been removed. We'll probably take into consideration
Closing usually happens at the title company. You'll bring a cashier's check made out to the closing company, a photo ID, and your spouse if you have one. Not just for moral support, but they do have documents they have to sign. You'll sign the mortgage and all the related documents. You'll receive title from the seller in the form of a signed deed. You'll get a settlement statement outlining your charges and your credits associated with this transaction. You'll give the closing company certified funds, usually in the form of a cashier's check or a money order for your down payment and your closing costs. Then comes the best part, you get the keys to your new home. It usually happens at...
Quiet on the set!
After closing, it's yours and it's time to move in. We recommend changing locks. Don't forget to put your deed and your important paperwork in a safe, secure place like maybe a security deposit box at the bank. Also, you will want to remember to go to the courthouse and file for a homestead exemption. It can save you a considerable amount of money each year. If you didn't secure a home warranty or title insurance during the closing process, you still have up to 30 days afterwards to do that. Sound like a commercial.
For more information on any of these topics, feel free to call an associate from ERA Nicholas Real Estate. Let one of our associates help you from the offer to closing. We'll be there for the whole process and be there after closing whenever you need us.